Alright, so we're back. So, I got my bolts under the thing. I drilled the holes in the tile. Now, before I tighten this down with the bolts, I'm going to just make sure that both of my bolts are lined up with the wall, of the same equidistant from the wall, if you will. Doing that, we ensure that your toilet's not going to be looking lopsided from the wall or something. So, let's see here. So I just want to make sure that's like 12 and a half. That's like 12 and 5 and a half, 16. So I'm just going to move this one this way just a bit. Okay. 12 and 5, 16ths basically. That's 12 and a quarter. Yeah, it's like just a hair. So it looks like they're both about right in the middle of the bolt is about 12 inches and a quarter. So it's important that you line that up. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt down this bracket here. I just got some stainless steel lag screws, and I'm just gonna bolt them down right in there. And so I know there's like what inch plywood under here, or 3/4 inch plywood under there. So I'm gonna put a washer down, and then just put these in there, just to get a little more bite into this panel here. So stainless steel. If I could have, I would have got stainless steel there, but I couldn't find any. So I'm just gonna bolt this down, and yeah, then we'll be right back.